How to know if someone blocked you on the Zangi app. The first things first is, of course, open up or pull up your Zangi application and make sure that you do logged into your account. Now, if you hover around these settings right here, there is no actual option or feature for you to be able to see if that person or user blocked you on Zangi. Now, the only thing that you can go ahead and check is pull up a certain messages on that person or pull up a specific account in which you wanted to check if that account blocked you in Zangi. So for example, this one right here. Now, usually or normally, if you send this person a message, it will show us two checked icon right here below the time that is indicating here, which is 4:13 p.m. Now, you would also be able to see the latest online status of this account or a person right here. But if this specific account blocked you on Zangi, now, if you will also send a message to that person, it will only show as one check message, which is not delivered. And you will also not be able to see the latest or the most recent online status of that person. So those are only the things that you can check to know if someone blocked you out in Zangi.